Hi, my name is Gian, and this is my reality show. We're now in the middle of the city.
Don't go straight.
Swing him all the way to Indonesia. Never drink iced tea.
You know, it should be more.
I'm Gian from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm currently working in a cruise ship. And this first episode, you will see that I'm hanging out with my friends, which is all my friends are from different countries. I have one from Ukraine, Germany, Austria, and Indonesia. And mostly of my friends are from working in galley, so yeah, I kind of love hanging out with people not from my department because I have a few trust issues when it comes hanging out with my co-departments. Here in Lanzarote, we always wanted to do crazy stuff outside the ship, so we decided to go out to the bar and experience the Shisha. And by the way, this is not my first time doing Shisha. My last experience was when we went to Jordan with my friends before, so yeah, it's not kind of new to me. We have a friend who is currently now in the Philippines. She's from Germany. Her name is Debbie, and then she's now in Palawan right now. And yeah, we have a good chance to talk to her through video call. Hi, Debbie. All the way from Philippines. Olah, where are we going?
Straight, and then right, and then left. That's it,
We're now in the middle of the city, like no one will see us. Where are we now? Kris, where are we now?
I have no idea, but I will find out soon.
It's like a ghost town.
Nobody here, only us. Stand up!
Stand up!
Tomorrow!
Debbie and Herbie are now together in Palawan, so I think she enjoyed her vacation in the Philippines so much. So we got a chance to talk to her about what's her experience in the Philippines.
Yes, fan. Finally!
He doesn't want to go home.
Really? I'm waiting for this one's like forever.
Yeah. Since you came upon.
Valentina, are you okay?
Yeah.
You need motivation?
Let's jog it, let's jog it.
What kind of motivation you want?
Outside?
Bye, Debbie. I didn't want to dance.
Makita negra. Makita. Okay, tissue
Wow.
Piña colada.
Piña colada.
Thank you. Here we go.
Yeah.
It's nice. Very nice.
Tastes good.
You know, every time when I try something new, it's nice. Not like this now, you know. Every time when I eat, I want to just run away.
Drop.
Yeah.
Okay, your first time, Shisha. Okay. Taste it. Smack good?
This is my first time. I try my best.
Oh, we have another one here.
Oh. Fail again. Fail. Okay then. Okay. Trying to be cool, huh? Why always end up
Morning is quite interesting because we're all drunk. Just a bit drunk. slight drunk because we need to control ourselves in drinking. We don't want to get drunk all the way back to the ship because it's not really allowed. So okay, how's the night, guys? How's the Shisha?
It was great.
Yeah, I think it's also was nice. Nice and sexy. You know, I thought about the first course, second course. So we already the shisha, we already eat, we already drink. So yeah, I think it's more than nice.
And we have also pizza.
Yeah, also
Don't forget that.
Don't forget the pizza now.
But Valentina is having she has a motivation now.
Finally. Valentina now
what
start to
kind of
come.
motivation if you're doing the nasty, huh?
Next, the motivation is nasty.
Nasty motivation.
With lime.
Nesty makes her drunk.
Yeah, we should walk further.
Yeah, maybe try the previous tablets. Let's try something maybe far away.
See, we get Italy here.
How's your night here in Lanzarote?
Really nice.
But I think it's still, we're still at night, you know.
We don't want the night will be over, you know?
Yes. In our hearts, it's keep alive.
Only one person, you know.
The night's still young.
It was shisha, yeah.
Shisha.
Because of shisha, it was 2, that's why. Yeah, but
I hope we could still do this night more often, you know?
let's see. Only if somebody will pull the boobs.
So that
How's your night before you leave? Mine shift.
It was a great night.
But it's still night, you know.
Overacting, right?
It was a great night. It was actually a totally great night.
Totally great night.
Totally great.
All of them.
Exactly.
Are you guys drunk?
And with my girlfriend,
No,
Margarita.
no. You're drunk? You're drunk? No.
What? What?
You speak German. Was?
Was? Bist betrunken?
Ich kann verstehen. Ja.
Bist du betrunken? Betrunken?
Nein.
Morning wet.
For me, no chance.
It's kaput, yeah?
Choose another side, huh? Not from here, huh?
Kids, come on. Okay, swing him all the way to Indonesia.
Stop.
Okay. You see? His ass already wet, huh?
No, because it's one chain is missing.
Anyone else?
Okay. Sina, we'll be next.
Sina next.
My cigarettes!
We'll be next, huh?
Thank you, next.
Let's go. We're together with you there.
Thank you next.
Go to slide. What? Why?
My fat ass don't fit in the slide.
Okay, in Ciso. Never drink iced tea.
This is sports!
Hey, you're waking up the neighborhood. Okay, this one, Sina. Oh, your fat ass doesn't.
Should be more.
it's not always on the plan that we go crazy stuff outside the ship. So I hope this would be the best night for us, and I was so happy that they were able to enjoy it after the Shisha. So I think it's not about the alcohol or the Shisha. I think it's the friendship we made in this ship, not just outside, and also inside, because we're like family inside the ship. So yeah, I'm starting to miss them because they're starting to leave the ship a few weeks from now, because they will have their vacation.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you.
For our drunk night.
Enjoy.
It's nice to meet you. Where is he? We're gonna go back now to the ship. And act normal. Yay! We try to act normal. How to act normal when you're drunk? Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Hope you don't